Some of us are going stir crazy. Without routine, we feel like zombies. And many of us haven't worn pants with a zipper in weeks. Unfortunately, with comfortable pants comes burnout from boring Zoom meetings and feeling like your team is more disconnected than ever. You should consider a virtual improv workshop. Instead of just listening to somebody else talk, or at least pretending to listen, you could be playing games focusing on communication and leadership while having some fun with your team.
John Colby's ability to maintain a captive audience, even in a virtual world, was something that I thought could not happen.
I can't say enough about how effective it was and how you're able to take a lot of the great exercises that we typically need to do in front of people and do them virtually. It was really cool, really effective. One of the biggest takeaways from our entire leadership retreat was the improv exercises, and something I hope we continue to implement along the way, to be sure that we'll be using John for more and more of those exercises going forward.
While there are countless articles written about the benefits of improv for teams, some people are still nervous about the idea of being put on the spot.
I was surprised at how much fun and engaging our virtual meeting was with John. He's really good at setting the tone and helping everyone feel at ease with doing improv, which I was terrified of doing because I'm not a super spontaneous person.
I think he's very good at doing a fast-paced, fun program that can bring together a group of people quickly and make them feel like they're in a safe environment, have a good time, and learn a lot of things about how you can be effective in your personal interactions.
Interested? Go to johncolby.com to learn more or to connect with me, because virtually anything is possible.